1st of May 2013 in Livingston County, taking a look at some of Jerry Hall's fields that are in winter triticale nitrogen rate study. You can finally see some differences in the nitrogen treatments. First plot here is the untreated control, pink square. It's only about 6 inches tall, and even though it's a drilled field, it's pretty thin, really hasn't tilled all that much. This is a later planted field that got in October. Red square has 30 pounds per acre of nitrogen. Definitely has some increased height compared to the untreated control, but it's definitely not as dark green or as tall as some of the other plots. Blue square, 90 pounds of nitrogen per acre. Yellow square has 60 pounds of nitrogen per acre. And finally, the orange square had 120 pounds of nitrogen per acre. Notice, looking between the orange square, the yellow square, and the blue square, there aren't a whole lot of differences. Maybe the yellow square isn't quite as green, but somewhere in the 60 pound range, yellow square all the way up to 120 will probably be the optimal rate of nitrogen. Looking at the rest of the field, I believe Jerry put on about 100 pounds per acre of actual N. Take a quick scan of the rest of the plots. And this field is at Feek Stage 6. As a reference, just a couple miles up the road, Jay Sweet has another field, and that he was able to get that planted in September after a vegetable crop, and the crop there is about twice as tall as this crop here, and it is actually at Feek Stage 7 right now, so it's about a week ahead. Granted, that also had some pretty early nitrogen application and was also planted a month earlier. Again, probably 2 to 3 weeks away from harvest. This field probably closer to the 3 weeks compared to some of the other sites that are a little farther along.